I have a cool stuff found to share, and if you're on the video, I'll do a little show and tell. But I'll happily talk about it. I love the 3-in-1 travel chargers, the power things that I can travel with and put by my bedside, and be able to charge my phone and watch and AirPods at night. And I've always loved what Anker has done with these, and their new. Coming out today, Groundhog Day, is the Anker Prime. Well, let me get the name right. The Anker Prime wireless charging station, 3-in-1 MagGo air-cool foldable. You are correct. It is air-cooled. So this thing is, it folds, when folded down, it's about the size of a deck of cards. And it opens up, and obviously the base stays kind of flat on the table or wherever you put it. It opens up so that you can put your iPhone on it in either portrait or landscape mode with the MagSafe, and it does 25 watts of MagSafe charging. And the reason it can do that is because it's got a little fan in there. The fan is quiet. It's like 19 dB, so it's not loud enough to be like white noise in a hotel room, which is almost too bad. but it is nice that it's quiet. And then the Anker's had one of these before, and I love the iterative design. In previous models, the watch puck used to come out of the bottom of it, out of the base of it, and your watch band could push it off the charger because your watch band was actually resting on the kind of the countertop or the tabletop, whereas the new one, the watch puck comes out of the top, and so your watch band hangs down. If you've got really tall AirPods case or something, you might still have the same problem, but at least you can sort of mitigate that, and the watch hangs down. And one thing I really like about this is that, and maybe this is because of the 25 watt thing, I doubt they did this for me, but the phone puck, or the phone, the Qi 2.2 adapter, is a little bit raised. I still use that open case on my phone, and with some of these MagSafe chargers, it fits on in portrait mode but not landscape mode. Well, this one, because it's got that little raised lip, it sits there in landscape mode just fine. And we've tested it, and while the magnet holds it fine, you can still just take the phone off without lifting the whole thing up. This is, of course, all Apple certified, which means that it's $150 for the 3-way charger, because you got to pay the Apple tax for the watch puck and all those things. But really great. Comes with its own 45 watt power adapter and USB-C cable too. So you're getting it all in one. And yes, you need the full 45 watt adapter to do the 25 watts of charging on your phone, the watch, the AirPods, and the fan. So that's a lot of juice to be sending. So make sure you either use their charger that they send it, you get it with it, or if you're going to try and use, one charger for everything or something, just make sure it can put out up to 45 watts.